Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here's a quick glimpse at last week's spread where I used the newest Disney stickers with some stickers from Colorful Boxes number two. So for this week, for June 21st through to June 27th in my classic horizontal, I'm going to be using stickers from Colorful Florals, as well as, hold on here, one of my new favorite things, this washi, and possibly some mod liners. Let's get started. Alrighty, so first thing I want to do is kind of cover this section here, and I almost want to do like one big floral like that. Ooh, you know what? If I do one big floral, I can do some coloring of it as well. Thing is, I'm not very patient when it comes to coloring. Like, give me a preschool coloring sheet and I am all over that. Yeah, like when I worked as a preschool teacher, those coloring sheets were, okay, let's use this. Yeah, those coloring sheets were what I absolutely loved. My husband would ask me, and actually I don't mind coloring outside of the lines in these. My husband asked me, he's like, what did you do at work today? And I'm like, I colored. So I'm going to do some coloring. I'm going to speed through this because it's actually somewhat calming to watch somebody else color. So I'll speed through this part. You know what? I actually really like that. I'm pretty proud of myself actually. So let's see. I'm going to just actually write or hand letter my own quote down here. I totally thought I recorded this and then I didn't, but I just hand lettered "grow with the flow," and the effect of this I really like. So now what I think I'm going to do, I wasn't sure that I was going to do this first, but I think I'm going to go ahead and decorate with this washi tape as well. Like, how pretty is this? And just adding a little bit here. Oh, I don't know why, but I love it. So then I'll add more of these around because I like the color scheme that I've chosen. I feel like there should be, yeah, there's more. Okay. I'm gonna start putting these around the spread, and then once I put them around the spread, then I'll go through and color them. So I'm going to, I always want to say chop, but really it's not chop, it's just cut. Gentle words, Karina. So let's put this one here on Monday. So I feel like this is going to be like a multi-process type of plan with me, where I'm going to put stickers down, color them, washi down, put more stickers down. It's going to be a bigger process than I'm normally used to, but I'm okay with that. I can hear Lucy and my daughter outside. So let's just put a little one here. I'm always weary with these stickers. I'm afraid I'm gonna end up cutting them the wrong way. There we go. I do like these. How do I want to do this? Just like that. Then I'll add, so one here, one here, one here. Do that, and then go back to the other page with this, and then cut this in half. And then on this side. And then one on this side. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and then color them in. I don't think you really want to see that in real time, and it's actually calming with the music, but also helps me concentrate on all the coloring. So I'm going to speed over this part. I really love how that turned out. That wasn't at all what I expected this spread to look like. This wasn't what I had in my head. So I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So now what I want to do, I'm going to add some washi tape, and I'm also going to add a couple of boxes and maybe some circles as well. So let's see how I want to do this. Let's take this. Just a piece of it, even if it covers a little bit of it. I'm going to focus on loving. Actually, let's just put the washi down first. I kind of like to go in a process. Put the washi down first on all of them. It's simple, but I really like what the washi adds. I'm going to rip this one, or actually cut it down the middle, that is smaller, and I like that. And then this other piece, I feel I can go maybe even up here. Then, you know, when I first started planning back in 2017, I went crazy for washi. I wanted to buy all of the washi from Michael's, and then I went quite a few years without using any washi, and I think I'm just really getting back into it now. But now I'm buying like really nice proper washi, but I feel like I can use this washi in any spread. Oh my god, I love how that looks. Okay, this one, focus on family, focus on friends. Oh my gosh, I really love this. Okay, so now let's find, I know what I'm looking for. There we go. I am positive, I don't want to cover up the washi really. I am positive, I am kind. Oh my goodness, love, 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 love. I am successful. I did cover up the yellow in this one, but that's okay. And then one more here. I attract goodness. Oh my gosh. Love. I am in love. Love, love, love with this spread. What do you guys think? I love the way that the coloring turned out, even though at the beginning I was like, no, I'm not into coloring. I really like how it turned out in the end. I actually prefer the coloring where it's not like exactly in the lines, that it looks kind of abstract like this. What do you guys think? All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.